As a kid growing up in Canada with a British mom, my favorite part of a roast beef dinner were the Yorkshire puddings. You probably know them as popovers, and whether you call them popovers or Yorkshire puddings, great news, they're really easy to make. Let's make some right now. They're easy to make, but it's great if you can just plan ahead a little bit. The batter should rest for at least an hour, if not overnight. A batter that has rested tends to have more tender popovers that rise higher. Another secret to high rising popovers is to add the batter to a hot pan with hot oil in it. Preheat the pan with a little bit of vegetable oil in an oven at 375 degrees for 10 minutes. Starting with a hot pan lets the popovers start to rise sooner before the heat of the oven actually sets its shape. Bake it for 45 to 50 minutes without opening the door at all to check on them. That's why there's a window. Once the popovers have finished cooking, you should expect them to fall a little bit. Making a slit into each popover helps release some of the steam before it makes the popovers soggy. Also, taking it out of the hot pan and resting on its side helps it keep its shape. These popovers can stand up with a roast beef dinner or just delight in a bread basket at brunch. There are few things better than a popover warm right out of the oven, a little bit of butter to spread on top, and then just a little quiet time just to yourself.